Dr. Frankenstein here on Halloween. It's 5 o'clock. Oh, wait a minute. It's midnight. You may know me better as the man who created my wonderful monster, Frankenstein. Yes, I named him after myself. It's just easier that way. Anyway, my monster is very lonely, so I've decided to give him a bride for Halloween. That's right, I'm going to be giving him the Bride of Frankenstein. We're going to make a witch's brew. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. The Walking Dead. Fear the Walking Dead. Night of the Living Dead. What do all these titles have in common? That's right. Zombies. And the reason I'm wearing this is because I don't have a devil outfit. This is a good one. Very easy. Perfect for Halloween evening. All you need for this wonderful cocktail is some Chambord. We've talked about this. Yes, Chambord is a wonderful raspberry liqueur, a French raspberry liqueur. Yummy. And we need fresh pineapple juice or canned pineapple juice is fine. And some sparkling wine. Champagne, sparkling wine, Prosecco, whatever you have. This is a super easy recipe. All you need is 1 ounce of delicious Chambord, right in a champagne glass like this. Then you need 1 ounce of pineapple juice, also in the champagne glass. And then you just top it with the sparkling wine, like this. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's the Bride of Frankenstein. There's her hairdo. Oh, yes. Oh, it's overflowing. Oh, it's basically a Kir Royale with pineapple juice. So easy, so delicious. Then we're going to top it with a little raspberry right on top, like that. Top it off like this. And that's it. Bride of Frankenstein. Cheers. Oh, raspberry, pineapple. This is for celebrating. This is delicious. And this is for my monster, to make him happy. And this will make any monster happy, believe you me. Oh, look. My monster is here, visiting me. Ha! See, he even looks like me. Oh, ha ha. Enjoy it. The Bride of Frankenstein.